Hello friends, my name is Gautam and you're watching the part 9 in the tutorial series of making an advanced logging system in PHP and MySQL. So basically in this tutorial we will be making the remember me functionality working. So what do I mean by remember me? So basically when I write my correct username, so in this case Gautam and password, and when I click sign in, so as you can see here my profile page is there. So when I close this window and again go to the login page, so these entries will be auto-filled. I need not have to write them again with my hand. So this is remember me functionality. So basically the website remembers you and these entries are auto-filled. So basically in this tutorial I will be making this functionality. So let me open my login.php file. So for this purpose, remember me functionality, I will be using the concept of cookies. So basically cookies are the way that a website stores some kind of information on the browser. So these are some kind of information that is stored inside the user's computer. So basically we need two cookies here of username and password. So let me make these two cookies. So first of all I will check that if the user has clicked this checkbox or not. For that I will be making a condition that if is set $post remember me, if the user has checked this checkbox of remember me, then perform these steps. So first of all we need to navigate to the profile.php page, so we are using this header function. So after that we need to make these two cookies. So first cookie is of username. So the function that is responsible to make cookie is set cookie, and this takes three arguments. First is the name of the cookie in double quotes, I name username, and the second argument takes the value to be stored inside the cookie. So we need to store the value of the username. So just $post username. After that the time period till the cookie lasts in the user's computer. So basically I will provide concatenate with the current time 1 day, that is 365 into 60 into 24 into 24. So this is 1 day actually, because 365 into 60 into 24 into 24 makes 1 year. So this cookie will last till 1 year in the user's computer. Same I can do with the password also. So let's copy it and paste it. So just replace here password here also. So in the input fields we need to represent the value. So we need a value attribute. So just declare the value attribute, and inside the value attribute I will be declaring a PHP block, and I will check that if the cookie is set or not. Is set function again, dollar cookie username. So if the cookie is set, then simply echo out it username is semicolon, and that's all. So let me copy this for password. So let me replace here password and here also. So let me save this. So execute it into my browser. So as you can see here I am there on login.php. So let me write my username and password. So let me check this remember me checkbox and sign in. So as you can see here my profile page is there. So when I close this window and again go to login.php, so as you can see here my entries are auto-filled. I need not have to write them again and again by my hand. So this is remember me functionality. So this time if I did not check this checkbox and again click the sign in button. So let me click sign in. Let me go to again. Let me show you. It is not working. So as you can see here, my entries are auto-filled. So let me go to. Sorry, this is not working. Let me check. Sorry, I have not made the else block, because if the user hasn't checked this checkbox, I need to write steps for that. So first of all, I need to include this header. It will go to the profile.php, because in either case, if the user hasn't checked the checkbox, it has to go to the profile.php page. And after that, I need to delete the cookie also. So in order to delete the cookie, we just empty the content inside it. That is, I will not provide any content, so this will simply delete the cookie. So again, for password, so this will delete the cookie. So let me save this and this will work. So let me refresh it. Localhost login.php. So let me sign in. So as you can see here, I haven't checked the checkbox and my profile page is there. So let me close this and open again login.php. So as you can see here, my entries are not there because I haven't checked the checkbox. So this is all about Remember Me functionality, guys. So our functionality is complete. So in the next tutorial, I will talk about the forgot password. So if you have forgotten your password, how to get it back. So we will use the send mail function. We will send a mail to the user, and the user will provide his email ID and the password will be mailed to their email address. So that way they can get back their password. So in the next tutorial, I will be writing the forgot password script. So stay tuned. I will be seeing you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.